Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chilili, where we celebrate water in the garden. And we're planning a huge celebration coming up on September 24th. We call it Splash. We want you to come along on our garden tour. Splash will visit 9 unique gardens. You're going to see some fabulous water lilies, some beautiful fish, unique garden accents. So purchase your tickets online or in the store. Tickets are only $48 this year. That includes a free breakfast, a free lunch, and a free dinner, all provided by our fabulous sponsors. You have 2 options. You can come along on the tour with us on a bus. The chartered bus will drive you to all 9 stops and all 3 meals. Perhaps you can't stay all day or you would rather drive yourself. That option's available too. You can get tickets in store or at chilili.com. The bus fills up fast, so get clicking. The money we're raising goes to a great charity here in St. Louis. It's called the Wildlife Rehabilitation Clinic. The Wildlife Rehabilitation Clinic does great work here in St. Louis. So we hope you come along on our garden tour, September 24th. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chilili.com, Facebook, or Instagram.